Using a leaf blower to clear cracks can work for loose debris, but you should follow up with a vacuum when you can for a truly clean result. A leaf blower moves large volumes of air and is excellent for dislodging dry leaves, sawdust, and loose dirt from concrete joints, pavers, and garage floor cracks. Use the blower on a low to medium setting and hold it at a shallow angle to avoid driving debris deeper into the opening. For best results, sweep or brush perpendicular to the crack first to free compacted matter, then blow along the length to pull particles out rather than across other gaps. If the crack contains fine grit or sticky material like mud or adhesive residue, a shop vacuum will remove what the blower leaves behind because it captures particles instead of only relocating them. When using a vacuum, choose a narrow nozzle and move slowly from one end of the crack to the other, overlapping passes so nothing remains. If dust is a concern, wet the area lightly and vacuum with a wet-dry vacuum only if the machine is rated for moisture capture. Common issues include blowing debris into adjacent areas and making more cleanup work, which you avoid by enclosing the immediate work zone with sheets or directing airflow away from tidy surfaces. Another problem is pushing fine dust deeper into the substrate, which happens when the blower is held too close or set too high. Solve this by using lower pressure and starting farther back, then edging in. Third, relying only on the blower can leave stubborn residues that prevent proper sealing or repair. Follow the blower pass with a vacuum or factory-recommended cleaner and allow the area to dry before applying any filler or sealant. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with nearby contractors and lists job types, so we make it easier to find someone who will handle detailed crack preparation and repair. We also host a discussion community where users and contractors exchange tips, compare tools like leaf blowers and shop vacuums, and share real-world results.